This is a culture of arrogance. It's the same culture of arrogance where there is always money for the vanity projects, for the indulgence, but never money for the patients and those at the front line. It's the same rotten culture, Minister, that gives the previous bike shed scandals. One rule for ordinary workers, one rule for the ordinary people. But when it comes to your government, when it comes to wasting public money, there is no end. Because what are people told? They're told to tighten their belts. Hospitals are told to cut back. But when it comes to your waste and excess, the chequebook, that's always open. And people watching this, people listening about this story here, they're working hard, Minister. They're paying their mortgage, they're paying their rent, they're trying to pay their bills, whether it's electricity, groceries, whether it's the cost of fuel and energy costs. They're trying to do their best. They don't get to waste €127,000, shrug their shoulders and just move on. But your government, you do it again and again and again, and nobody is ever held accountable. And let's call this what it is. This isn't just bad luck. It's not oversight. This is pure waste. That's what it is. It's squandering the people's money. But your government keeps on doing it and nobody's held accountable. So I'm going to ask you, Minister, how can you justify imposing a recruitment embargo across parts of the health service while defending €127,000 for a designer bike shed? Seriously, Minister.
Thank you, Deputy. Deputy, I think each and every one of us, whether it's ministers in departments, whether it's deputies in this House, we all want to make sure that every penny that is spent, every taxpayer's penny that is spent, that it's spent well, that it goes to where it needs to go, and that it goes to those who need it. And that means across every department. That includes health, it includes education, it includes active travel, it includes investing in critical infrastructure. And so the €105 billion that was announced in last year's budget, there's a role for all of us, for ministers, for the departments, for agencies, to make sure that we get value for money, that we spend our money where it's needed, that budgets and that projects come in on time, on budget, and that has to be a focus and a priority for all of us. That is an objective of government, but that's an objective of all of us here in this House. I mean, nobody agrees with what happened here in Leinster House last year, and that's why the OPW have put in place new measures. That's why they've put forward changes to make sure that something like that can't happen again. But the project that you've mentioned in question, it went through the procurement process, it went through the proper guidelines, and what was delivered was what was decided was needed for the hospital in the place that it was located. But to say that in the scheme of what is a €105 billion budget, with additional funding already provided for this year. I mean, we've provided €750 million to people because we know that it's needed.